He's beautiful, isn't he?
Gorgeous.
I think it's the same one. I think they've had him a while. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. That is beyond belief. Lindsay didn't have to coax him out unless she maybe did.
I think she did.
You think she did?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Because he didn't seem like he wanted
Was really
to come
thrilled
out.
to be out. No. That is fabulous. Well, I am thrilled beyond. Look, see the paw.
Look at that.
That's exactly like the domestic cat. That is phenomenal. Those teeth and oh boy, oh boy.
And I think you'll be able to hear him growling.
I've never heard him growl.
Was he growling?
Yeah. Can you imagine if you heard that out in the wild somewhere?
Wow.
Can you imagine at night in the dark, you're in a little tent and you hear that?
No.
Ooh. This is phenomenal. I cannot believe my luck today. There he is.
I'm going to take full advantage of him being out.
Isn't he gorgeous? Yeah, how often do we get that chance? 1 in a million.
I think our last 3 trips he's been.
The last 3 trips we
Yeah.
did not see him. And I thought, am I ever going to see him again? I hated the thought that I would never see him again in my life. Because he's really why I come up. I love all the other animals, but there's nobody like him.
Look at that face.
He is, to me, the most
gorgeous.
stunning animal in this world.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry.
He's absolutely fabulous. Look at that proud face. Oh, he's getting up. Oh, look. I don't believe it, Bonnie. You'll need to tell Lindsay that we got a fabulous view of him.
Absolutely.
This stuff is nice. It's not sticky.
See, his colors remind me of Samantha.
Yeah, that's what he's like. Yeah, like an orange cat. He's just a giant orange tabby is what he is. I'd just love if our cats could see him. They think they're big cats. What do they know? I've got news for you, kitty cats. Little do you know about your big cousin.
Hey, you guys want
This is awesome. I wonder if he has a little pool. Yeah, I think he does. I think there's a little pool in the middle. Because tigers like to go in water, you know.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh, yeah. In the mangrove swamps in southern India, they lie in the water. But then he's a Siberian, so he's used to cold weather.
He probably doesn't like it here, then.
He might find it too hot. See the markings on the face? Kid, it's tight. Oh, look.
Like his belly's wet. Do you see that?
Yeah. I think he had been in the water.
his mouth even moving.
You know, it might be mating season or something.
Oh, that's true. She's
I
not.
wonder if they have a female.
Well, if they do, she's not responding.
Come on. God, that sounds awesome.
Beautiful, isn't it? Look at that face. I don't think he seems too happy right now.
No, he doesn't. He says, I'm hot.
That makes you think Bigfoot.
Clemson, that's his name. Clemson. Hey, kitty.
That's really his name, or you just
I just made that up. Look at the bamboo. It's beautiful.
Wow, that's big.